Basketball court, Avery.
So is that?
Hmm?
I'm assuming you can put that
Sure.
Baba, this house, I would take away everything but not this.
Watch out for the step.
Wow. Those.
So this dock belongs to them. To this house. What do you think? How you like that? Does the boat come with the house?
Why is this chocolate like that?
Look at that pool over there. Swing. You got a porch over there.
Oh, and then go over there. Or this. I really want to go up there.
Is that the garage? And you have like look at this, like a little media area over here. You have like a little media area over here. Look, you got your mailbox. Stay organized, kind of.
Ooh, let's see right
I
here.
actually like this.
The media area, yeah, you can lay everything out and be organized. And you can look at your schedule.
So really, you bring all the mail in.
Sort it. You guys ready?
It's straight out.
Hmm?
This is fine.
Look, there's a car.
There's downstairs right there. You gotta go down there eventually. This is different, going to the basement before we go upstairs. I don't know, is it cork? It's some kind of insulation.
Let's go back upstairs.
I gotta admit, this is well
Very nice. You can do a lot. The floor is already ready.
done. Actually, this is what I'm talking about doing. Remember I said I wanted to paint this?
Oh yeah, look at the
It's already ready to go.
setup. It's set up for theater already. It's dark, like you said. Look at the flooring.
I mean, the only thing different I would do with the floor.
And this is probably good insulation for sound.
it would work with it. 'Cause I'm telling you, it's not hollow in here at all.
You can press right into it. Wow.
In the floor, the only thing I would do different, I want that marble look a little bit more.
Give you kind of an Art Deco feel. Look at these big doors. They're so tall. I like the big doors. You ready to go upstairs? Now look at this view. Nice. Avery. Okay, so this is bedroom number 1.
Has his own bathroom.
It has its own bathroom and walk-in closet, huh? Yeah, let's see what's down this hall. So this is like a closet or a little book nook maybe. You can go up to the attic. Or you can put some storage here. It's nice and warm in here. Okay, got some more storage. Plenty of storage in here. Let's see, what room would this be? So a little walk-in closet. So this is bedroom number 2. And of course it has its own Jack and Jill bathroom. Nice tile. And this actually comes with the tub. Can't beat that. All right, let's go in the bedroom across the hall. There's Avery. And we have our own walk-in closet. And we will exit this bedroom number 3. And wow, there's more closet space. What you think?
It's nice. I'm right behind you.
Well, thank you. And so that was bedroom number 3. So this is the master. We're gonna walk to the bathroom first. Look at this. You have your linen closet. And you have this nice shower with a bench. Love the towel. This is so nice. And the marble bench. Huh? Look at all those. Wow. Okay, and we have the sunken tub. And look at how much space is in this bathroom. And of course, over here we have our toilet. And if you go out, you're into the gigantic. Let's see, is this the only closet? So if I go all the way back in the corner, this is the square footage of the closet. Let's see if there's one more. That would be awesome if it had his and hers. No, that's the only one. So we got tray ceilings. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Do you think this is a nice size master? Okay. You've seen the whole house. Is that everything?